Hi Do It Leisure, this is Tiara. Today we are going to be cooking with our food of the week, which was eggplant. So today we are going to be making some eggplant tacos. So first we're going to start off by cutting our eggplant. So this one was the one we cut, so it is just cut in half. And then I'm just going to take the top and cut it off. And I'm going to cut them in half one more time so they are chunks like this. So I'm going to do that to this one really quick. And put this off to the side. And in half again. Then we are going to take a spoon and just scrape out the middle part. So now that we have the middle scraped out of all of them, and we kind of have our taco formation, we are going to take an egg and break it into a pretty large bowl. So I'm just going to break it. And then we are going to whisk our egg. So just whisk. So then we're going to put that off to the side. And then we are going to get a bigger bowl. And in this bowl, we are going to take some breadcrumbs. Right here, I have some panko breadcrumbs from Trader Joe's. So I'm going to pour some in this bowl. And then we are going to season them as well. So I'm going to season them with a little bit of salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic salt as well. So now that we have our seasonings in our bowl, I'm just going to mix them together a little bit real quick. Now we are going to get our oil ready. So in a large pot or pan, we are going to take some olive oil and we are going to fill it until the eggplant can submerge into the oil. So this is about how much oil should be in your pan. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the burner and we are going to put it on medium heat just so the oil does not splash, and I will show you how to test your oil. So while we are waiting for our oil to heat up, we are going to prep our tacos. So we are going to take some of the eggplant and we are going to dip it and coat it in the egg. And this is what it should look like. And then we are going to cover it in panko breadcrumbs. And then we are going to dip it back into the egg. And then back into the crumbs. And this is what it should look like. Pretty much fully covered. You can fill in the spots that aren't. And then we are going to do that to all of them, and then we will come back to test our oil. So I think our oil is almost ready, so I'm going to go ahead and test it. So testing your oil is just making sure that's not going to be too hot and splash everywhere, because oil does burn. So we are going to, I'm going to use chopsticks. Some people flick water into it to see if it is ready, but I'm going to use chopsticks. And those bubbles mean it is ready. So we are going to go ahead and toss our eggplant in. So now we are going to take our eggplant. I would suggest using tongs. So I'm going to pick up our eggplant. And I'm just going to slowly dip it in. Make sure it is not too hot, and that is perfect. So I'm going to crisp one side so we can get that taco form. So I'm going to hold it in the oil. I would say for about a minute. Now that it has been a minute, you can see those panko crumbs browning. So then I'm going to go ahead and dip the other side in. And then when you feel like it is ready, we are just going to transfer it onto a plate with some paper towels so the oil can drain off. And then you are going to do that with all of them until they are all done. So we're going to put our second one in. So we are going to let our eggplants cool down a little bit. So for the inside of my tacos, I have some crab. And then I also picked up a little bit of ahi from Safeway. So I'm going to fill one with ahi and one with crab. So I'm just going to open this crab. And this is what the crab looks like. I'm going to shred it. You can put it in whole into some chunks if you would like. But to shred it, I am just going to take a fork and pull it so we can get the shreds. So I'm going to go like this, just shred through it. Then I'm going to put it into a bowl, and I'm going to repeat that until this is full. So into my crab mixture, so it's not super bland, I'm going to go ahead and put a tiny bit of mayo into it. Oops. And then a little bit of sriracha. This is just sriracha from Trader Joe's. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix it. So now our eggplants are cooled down enough to where we can transfer them. I'm gonna do this in a bowl because I find that keeping the taco shape is a lot easier in a bowl than it is on a plate. So I'm going to go ahead and start filling my tacos. So in one of them, I'm going to put our crab mixture, and in the other, I am going to put some ahi. So I'm just going to take a few, scoop it out, and put it into the other one. So this is what it looks like right now. And then I have already prepared some toppings. So I'm going to take some lettuce and I'm going to go ahead and top both of them with lettuce. And then I'm going to, I have some carrots and tomatoes, so I'm going to do some carrots. And then I'm going to put a little bit of cheddar cheese. And then I'm going to go back in with my sriracha. And I'm just going to put a little bit on top of both of them. And then I'm going to add some tomatoes on top. These are the eggplant tacos. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know if you tried cooking this food and post your picture down below in the comments.